Hey guys, welcome to Bare Beauty, or welcome back to Bare Beauty. Thank you guys so very much for clicking on today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you get notified each and every time I upload. So for today's nail design is one that is trending. It is the 3D Swirl chrome nails. I think these nails are just iconic. They're different, and at first I didn't know if the nails were for me. I like them, but I don't know if I would have done them. But I saw them around town, and that's almost like a confirmation to say do them on yourself. And it turns out that this will be my birthday set. It will be my birthday set. That's the effect that it has on me. So for my acrylic application, I'll be going in with natural, quite a very muted acrylic, which is ideal for this design here, because so we do something very extravagant. So we need that design to be the focus and not the background, because if I was supposed to use another color, for instance, it's going to be a battle. That's what I think. So I would highly recommend you use a very muted, nude type of color, even if it's clear, even if it's a soft pink, something that is not going to be too noticeable. So I'll go ahead and lay all my acrylics. I don't have much to say because I'm pretty sure that I've done this. I saw it on one time, so there's not much for me to explain, but I definitely have a video on here explaining the laying of acrylic, the apex, all the niceness. So I'll link it in the icons for you guys to check it out, and I'll check back in when I'm through with the filing. So to create my 3D swirls, I'm going to use Polygel, which I think is a reliable option up from the Builder Gel. So I'll take a good amount onto my spatula, apply it to my nails, and now I'm going to form up the swirls onto the nail. This took me a bit because I was unsure of how to manipulate the Polygel, seeing that everybody was using Builder Gel and it was literally you swirling it from a dotting tool or any type of tool that was being used. That was quite ideal because I was using it on my nail. I was creating the swirls on my nail surface, so that kind of posed a bit of trouble with me, but by the second nail I was good to go. So yeah, and I think that Polygel kind of give you a little bit more control over the Builder Gel. I mean, both products have their flaws in it, but I guess I can't really judge to say whether or not if Builder Gel or Polygel is like better, but I then can be biased about it because I'm using Polygel, right? So I go ahead and create those swirls and show us them a little bit defined on the nail. And the one thing that I definitely can say about Polygel is that it moves a lot, so you have to ensure that it's done perfect, and then you go ahead and cure. I don't think Builder Gel run as quickly. I mean, that was one of my main objections with polygel is that it runs fairly quickly, but I mean, I don't have another option, so I mean, I kind of do, because I think acrylic could have done it, but there would be a little bit more step. But I'll definitely be trying that out. And what I genuinely can say that I love about swirls or just abstract design is that you're able to do different designs and then just time back into one another. So each swirls on my nails didn't look similar, and that's what I liked. So I'll go ahead and finish up my swirls on the nails, after which I will just cure them each for 30 seconds. After I complete the whole set, I will go ahead and cure them for 60 seconds just to ensure that everything is cured through and through, because as you know, polygel has the tendency of not curing all the way through, so I want to ensure that we cure it through and through. So my swirls are all cured, so now I'm going in with an alcohol pad wipe to remove the tacky surface off of the nails. And take into consideration, these are a thermal polygel that I use, which is nice. Look at that, that's beautiful right there. After which I'll go in with my D&D top coat to apply a gloss over the nails so we can chrome the nails properly. One thing that I don't like about chrome is that once you chrome, or I'm speaking on behalf of the chrome powder that I purchased, I feel as though it's for the entire nail. It's a system for the entire nail, because when you're going with very, you know, defined designs, like for instance this, it is quite messy, and no matter how you try removing it with a brush or anything, it is very messy. Cleaning it up, it's very messy. So I think I conclude that the chrome that I'm currently using is just for one application, meaning for the entire nail itself. Because when I do see people, you know, using the chrome dust and brushing away, the work is clean. My work is not clean. I don't know what it is that I'm doing or how I'm using the chrome, but for in any instance that I'm using it, that's always the end result. So genuinely, that's one of the things that I hate about chrome. But hey, it might be the way how I'm using it. Don't know how to use the chrome, but I definitely will be buying another set just to see how, you know, if it's just me or if it's just the product that I was using. But yeah, so I'm going in trying to choose between two chromes. I thought that I had silver chrome, which I was going for, but I chose one that is the closest, that was closest to the silver, and I'll use a eyeshadow brush to do the application, and I'll go ahead and shine, and then I'll try to go ahead and clean up when I'm done. You'll see what I'm talking about. It's so messy. So I'm done with the chroming portion, so I'm gonna love the nail them. So it's time to brush away the extra that was on the nail. It now move. You see, I had to hold the bristle of the brush to brush away, and it still now move. See there? The work is nice and all though, but the chrome is everywhere. So I'm going to use some acetone to clean up that surface area. Which sometimes change the look of the chrome, or all the time if you go too close to the area that you're working hard not to go to. So you want to ensure you clean around the swirls as, you know, properly as you can, and then when you're satisfied, when I'm satisfied with that, I will then go ahead and top coat the nails. So So I'm finally at the last step. We're going to oil the cuticles. I'm gonna model it for you. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below. Also follow me on all my socials, that's Instagram and TikTok at Bare Beauty Services, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.